think I fixed it. Boom, boom. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, Jeffrey, go to my stream and do me a favor and tell me if you can hear it. I'm gonna put it in general. Let me know if anything's working wrong or if everything's working correctly. I can promise you I won't change. Alright, I can hear myself there. Money calling, gotta go get it, baby. I think, alright, so let's think about this logically, right? So what are we doing? Let's go here, right? New 27-minute opened up, what, 15 minutes ago. It's about to be 10 o'clock, right? What opens up then? A new 64?
And a new 4 hours.
A new, alright, so if we look here on the 64, we are in a pressure cooker, right? So what do we do throughout all of this? We took this a low out in the fair value gap. We took this high out. We took a swing high out, right? Which was the opening of yesterday, which formed high of day. So let's start zooming in. Everything's good. That's what I like to hear. So let's zoom in on this, right? If I want to. Oh, I'm already on the micros. I'd say right now let's drop that to 2 longs, and then we'll start to average in, if anything.
Order filled.
Right. So what are we looking for here? Right. So let's go back to this. We took out a low. There's an inefficiency right here, which there was a low right here, which was taken by this and then taken by this. Since it's closed downwards and it took this, then I'm not the biggest fan of it. If we look here at this 32, it doesn't look that great, right? But if we go to a higher time frame, like let's go to this 81 minute and go check on this.
I reversed on me. Why am I getting mad?
If we look right here, there is a swing. There's just an inefficiency right here around 408 that we could potentially hit, right? Over the course of maybe tomorrow, maybe today, you know. But ultimately, today's FOMC, so really, should I be trading this? Or should I wait till FOMC? I'll probably be back in the live stream for FOMC, but what we're looking for is this, right? This, I placed it. I forgot when the fuck I placed it. November 6th. It hasn't even been November 6th. The fuck did I place this shit? Created October 6th. So I think Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. That's what I was looking for. I fucking had a huge ass fucking retracement. But just based off of the 81, right? This shit closes 9 minutes at 10:12, right? 10:12 is a pretty important time. Let's go look at 243, get an idea of what that might want to do. We took out lows. Yeah, I'd say it's going higher, right? This 330 is sure shot. 408. I mean, it is FOMC, but it is minutes, so it's not the best. So now let's start zooming in, see where to place our stop loss, right? So if we look here, there's a low. Let's move this shit. This shit's fucking in our way. So basically, if we look at the fuck are we looking at? Oh yeah, right. If we look at this low, when was it created? 932, 936 opens up, boom, and then 36 swipes, and then this 100% happened during 45. Let's go to 1 minute. After 45, it takes this low out, right? So since this 45 is a 27 minute, and we took this low out, it probably would remain intact, right? So can we put a stop there? Yep, but a better stop would probably be here, right? So let's look at it on the 2 minute. It doesn't look that great on 2 minute because this was a swing low and then didn't take this out, but you know, Overall, I think it gets up here, right? And then 72. What's that? How many ticks is that? 232. $232 trade. Should I have added the 4 more? Probably, but you know, I'm trying to explain shit right now. There's a 3-minute pressure cooker here too. Let's get rid of all the drawings because you know, try to keep everything as clean as possible. 3-minute pressure cooker, right? This is what a pressure cooker is. Pay attention to this. Focus on this. A big candle preceded by multiple candles that end within said range. Right? There's midpoint on pressure cooker. From midpoint, we expand. We closed above midpoint on this most recent candle that just opened up. We retraced back to the midpoint and then we expanded through to the top of, you know, and you can treat these like ranges. You could trade from the bottom of this to the top of this, or from the top of this to the bottom of this, and vice versa, you know? So, also let's look at this, right? Let's look, at least this is how I think about it. There's this high right here, never taken. This was the swing point. I mean, I guess if you want to say this was the final swing point, right? Because it went a little bit higher than that and it took this, but in my mind, this wick didn't get taken. So we're gonna look for a push above that and see if we can hold and close above it. 6 minute. Let's look at it. A 12-minute. That is going to be our enemy right here. 12-minute doesn't look the greatest. Right, and if we take the loss on this, then, you know, it's whatever. I'll just go back, switch to minis and just get it back. What's your ETA? What's your ETA? ETA. Ooh, what's your ETA? Where is this? Oh, here it is. What's your ETA? What's your ETA? Ooh, what's your ETA? I'll jump on the mercy, but I don't even know how. Yeah, I probably should have gotten more when we came down here, retraced. That's what I mean. Because if I got more, I would take some off right here at this high. But it's hitting this high right here. Right. Let's look 72. I'll take one off at this body, right? Because this is... Hold on. Let's bring this down. Alright, so look at this. Right, put at the body. Right there is going to get filled out. Hold on. It needs to be exactly on the body. There goes 7.5. Alright, let's... 3 minute. Alright. When does that end? We'll see that get hit, right? Where did that even come from? 72, right? So what? 1536 was the opening. So this is playing around with liquidity from yesterday's PM session, right? So that's how you got to think about it. There are still orders from yesterday's PM session that haven't got taken out, and yada yada, and you know. So it's going for an opening, right? And that's why you start to look at the bodies and stuff like that, because that's what all it's doing is going for openings and wicks, and you know. Well, once it touches this, I'll end the stream, and I'll be back for FOMC, because put limit right there, you know, put at the body. It's a little bit safer than putting at the wick, and am I really gonna not get filled out for an extra 7 points? You know, just let it do its thing. Am I cooked? I might be, I might not be, but you know, just hold, trust the move. Don't want to listen to this song. I done made so many minutes, ain't nothing to think about. And she fuck with me because I don't know when I... Yo, Monkey, when did you join, Monkey? But I done made so many emails, ain't not understanding. And she fucked with me because I'm the one that still come over and made it out. Alright, let's pay attention to this 27, right? Because if it ends closer towards here, then this is done for, more than likely. Right, we have to remaneuver ourselves to reposition. 81. Exactly, bro. Look at me.
Nigga said $1.1 million crash in
These niggas they fake. These niggas they hate. These niggas they all perpetrate. These niggas ain't ready.
You took any trade adjustment?
Y'all can see myself.
Yeah, right now, you see how we broke top? Yeah. It was above it. We came down to retest it. I got in. Same play I've been talking about in the chat. Alright, so I just got in just now, so.
Chat, we're cooking. We're cooking. That's the reason you ain't know.
What, 570? No, I see this shit reversing.
No. Spent 80 racing Louis. I don't know why these niggas be at. I don't know. That's why I got time for y'all. Niggas like me, I'm not cocky. Yeah, nigga like me. Yeah, nigga like me be so stop. I done made so many millions, ain't nothing to think about. She fuck with me because I'm. Hold on. Time. Get that money, yeah, no matter what. Spent like $1,500 for my shoes. Then I bought 10 pay for my whole crew. Getting money really changed my mood. I was on a mission to the loot. I was on a mission to the loot. I was on a mission to the loot. Getting money really changed my mood. I was on a mission to the loot. That bitch got a pool. Tell me that bitch what this shit look blue. Christian Dior, I'm a Sue. She covers them so I let her go. Riddler, don't get Riddler, yeah, hang with killers and the villains, yeah, I'm a million, and smoke a backwood, put a pill in there, that's a cha-cha, no bills come there, diamonds buffalo, Let's go look at the higher time frames now, alright, because we need to see what they need to show. This is 9 minute. Nah, it's probably gonna be one of those that just and then closes up into this fake order block. Alright, I know on one of the last videos I said fake order block, and that shit was indeed not a fake order block. But this right here more than likely fake order block. So, you know, fake retracement down or minimal retracement down, and then just boom. Especially with this 3 minute with this huge wick and then the candle push through it. So burn this into your brain, right? When you see stuff like this, like a big ass wick, it comes retrace. You know, the next candle, boom, comes, takes this low out, and then big fat body closest near the top of it. The next candle is going to be minimal retracement to the downside, and it's just going to expand upwards, right? So burn that into your mind. None of them are. How the fuck do I get rid of this? Wah, it's just bothering me right there. Coño. And you know that I can't lose. I was in your girl, yeah, you know that I can't lose. I was in your girl DMs at 145, got a number 2. I was in your girl DMs at 145, got a number 2. Spent like 1,500 for my shoes. Then I bought 10 pair for my whole crew. Getting money really changed my mood. I was on a mission to the loo. I was on a mission to the loo. I was on a mission to the loo. Getting money really changed my mood. I was on a mission to the loo. Oh, so let's go look at this and probably minimal retracement. But you still have to expect, especially at 10, 12 and higher time frames like this, where a bigger candle opens up, you still have to expect retracement, right? Which is why, if you see right there, I put my limit at the body, right? Because it's 81 body right here, right? It starts to de-exhaust once it takes out the liquidity at the body, right? And then that 81, that time right here, this 1536, it lines up with so many more time frames that it's so powerful, which is why I decided to put it right there, right? And we're starting to like de-exhaust a little bit. We're not expanding as quickly as we did right here through this candle. There's still room for expansion, but it's not going to be as quick. It's going to start to de-exhaust, and then it's going to be a problem, right? Which is why we take profit at said body. Christian Dior, I love Amasus. Yeah, I don't want to listen to sad ass shit, dude. Let me. I saw a song in here that I want to listen to. I forgot what it was. Maybe this. It's a good song, but am I really in the mood for it? Though, what y'all know about OG Polo G? Like 2019, 2018, when he was first coming up. Real niggas is a dime breed, but I'm still maintaining. Made it out the hood, I still pop out on some gang shit. Made it out the hood, I still pop out on some gang shit. My day one niggas, them the niggas that I came with. Ain't no big homies, we just reckless gang bang and don't get caught in the mix. Cause this shit is very dangerous. Hey, watch me lane switch. If you ain't talking money, nigga, you don't speak my language. We grew up playing cops and robbers. I was never 12. We gonna see them having gates of jail. Free my man. I ballin'. Damn. All right, chat. Now we just sit here, relax. At this point, it's not coming back to our break even, right? I don't even need a stop loss. Water bottle. Stay hydrated. Real niggas is a dime breed, but I'm still making. Niggas that I came with, we smart. Clout. All right, let's see this violate that top of the fake order block. Even if we close above midpoint, even if we close inside of here, it will probably have minimal retracement. Maybe take out this 302 level again and then start shooting up. All right, and that's what you have to burn into your mind. All these candles are doing is cycling the previous candles, looking for old lows, looking for old highs, looking for old opens, old closes. It's all open, low, high, close. It's all based on the candlestick. It's not. That's all it is. There's no indicator that's gonna show you. There's none of that shit. It's just candlestick. Take this, take that, and logical reasoning. At the end of the day, we're probably gonna end up hitting here, so I can probably move up here, but it's better safe than sorry. But right there, look at that 50-point trade, right? 50-point trade. That wasn't that hard, And it's possible, you know. You just read the range, you start to think about it logically. What did these candles take? What did this candle take? What is it gonna do? Are we in a pressure cooker? Is it gonna start to expand? Are we consolidating? Are we retracing? Just think about it in those terms, you know. Hold on, play the song before this. Is it all shuffled? Okay, so where is the song? Why is the fuck? Did I lose the song? Hold on. It's that one song with Lil Uzi and Lil Baby. All life goes on. Here it is.
Jeffrey, I hope you hold it, bro.
Cook that shit up, Quay. Track how G go too fat. I don't even wear no seatbelt. Track how G go too fast. I don't even wear no seatbelt. That bitch got breath. Oh great, now she got D cups. How about the range? I'm going in. Who's Lil Baby? He going in. And these old rappers getting boring. See, like it was like, bro. Boom, at the body. See, like it starts to like, you know. There it is. There's that. I finally got my alert. But it's not hard. It's really not hard. It becomes a lot simpler once you start to think about it logically. Think about it logically. That's all it is. Think about it with logic. All it fucking is. Get another loan. But you know, I took my trade. I'll probably be back for FOMC. But let's leave you guys with something. All right, let's go look at gold. What is gold doing? Gold. What we do have to keep in mind with gold is that yesterday at 10:12 we left this fat ass opening, right? And on 243 there's this. So let's say, do we take this wick? Because this is going to be very indicative. I'm gonna take that wick. Okay, so if with this range, this is probably going to be, let's say this is the first stage of consolidation, right? Off of this from yesterday, I wish I recorded this because it would have been perfect, or live streamed or whatever. It would have been a fucking perfect, because I got in right after 10:12 because I got out of bed a little bit late, so that was, at least I got out of bed at 10:12 because I was waiting for a good trade at 10:12, and then boom, it was just a straight drop to fucking target, which was right here. I could have put at this target right here at the fucking low, and oh, it would have been a good ass trade. But overall, this, let's see, there's a low right here at another 50 points on gold. Right here is probably a safer target. That's 30 points still, you know. A gold 30-point drop to here. I'm not saying it would happen right now because it probably won't. Probably take this low out one more time, right? And then, so let's say it takes this low out, boom, we're gonna start to probably see this. Maybe take this out, maybe come up to here, maybe not, you know. Let's just say we take this out, form a structural point, swing point, and then boom, a little bit more consolidation, come up to the 50% of this range, straight drop down here, right? And it's gonna be a quick drop just like this candle, right? And that's what you have to look for. You have to think about it. Okay, when is this shit happening? Like, you can think about this as a market maker sell model. That's what ICT would call it. You know, this is the high, this is a reversal, it's the first stage of consolidation. It's gonna be second stage of consolidation. That second stage of consolidation is exactly where you want to get in, right? Especially once it takes out the low and the high of the previous range. At that midpoint, that's the expansion that you want, you know. And that's what I'm going to leave you with. And Q for the rest of the day. Let's see, you know. Holy, that's a big ass chart. Let me use my mouse. This trackpad's a little bit annoying. All right. Overall, probably this, you know. FOMC minutes, you know, this next candle opens up at 14:15. FOMC opens up at 2 o'clock. All right, so it was just 14. So let's say FOMC has, what's it called? FOMC has Have you ever thought about why FOMC opens up at 2 o'clock? It's because there's a new 4-hour candle printing at that time. You know, it's as simple as that. Everything, literally everything. If you go look at the Forex Factory and you go look at news, everything lines up with time. You know, so study the time frames. Time frames are very important. You know, they are the most important thing. These time frames have blessed me. You know, I'm glad to have found all this shit out. I'm glad to have been able to embark upon these time frames. But yeah, basically, I think that's it. This is done. We're gonna call it wraps. The trade's been filled out. I'll be back for FOMC.